Uh, Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Can any of you hear me? Hello? 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 If you can hear me, please indicate on the chat. I want to begin, but I don't want to go ahead with the workshop without knowing if I'm audible or not. All right. Good morning, everyone. Let me begin by introducing myself. My name is Lungisa Sobua. I represent an organization called Sikhululekile Reading Development and Life Skills. Can you see my screen? I represent an organization called Sikhululekile Reading Development and Life Skills. So today I'll be running this workshop. The name of the workshop is called AI Storytelling. So I'll begin by outlining a few house rules. The unfortunate part is that we do not have much time. We have under 30 minutes. So I'll begin by just sharing a few house rules. The first one would be for everyone to be flexible and open-minded because we have very little time. The second one would be there will be no time for questions, unfortunately, because of the time constraints. The third one, I've shared a link right at the top where you can subscribe to my email to my email database. That is the only way I'll be able to share this video at the end of this session. So let me begin by introducing AI because some people probably are probably not familiar with the concept of AI or with the technology. AI is short for artificial intelligence. It is the ability of a machine to perform tasks that are typical associated with human intelligence, such as learning, reasoning, and problem solving. One good example of AI is self-driving cars. Yeah, that is self-explanatory. I don't need to explain self-driving cars. So let me move here. For this exercise, we are going to be using an AI service called the Large Language Model, or LLMs in short. LLMs are a type of AI that is trained on massive data sets of text and code. This allows them to generate text, translate language, write different kinds of creative content, and answer questions in an informative way. We are going, for this exercise, we are going to be using a large language model called BARD. We are going to be using BARD because I found it to be much more simpler than ChatGPT, and it's much more easier to to register, and it will be much more easier for the participants in this group to register on BARD and to use it. It's very simple. It's user friendly, if I might put it that way. So when you are using an AI service like ChatGPT, what usually happens is you'll use the typing bar to type a command. For example, if you want the AI or the large language model, you'll just use the bar to type, write a poem about Nelson Mandela. So you need to be specific. Those instructions are called prompts. So when you write a prompt, you need to be specific. Tell the AI service what you want it to do. So for this exercise, I want us to create, or I will be creating a story because there's limited time for us to collaborate. So I'll be creating a story of Jessica. Then after I've created the story, I will I will generate images that will go along with the story. So I will be showing you step by step using this browser. So let's go to my browser. So we'll begin by typing bard.google.com. It would be nicer if one or two of you can do the same as I am doing, because that way it will be much more effective for your own learning. So this is bard.ai. Can anyone can everybody see? You can be free, you can open your mics and communicate so that I know I am still on the right page. Hello? So you just need to open bard.google.com. Then you will register. The registration process is very simple because you only need your Google credentials to log in. So here's where you type your prompt or your command or your instruction to tell the AI what to do. So for this exercise, we are going to be creating a story. The story I've come out with is about Jessica. So I will tell the AI what to do. Write a story about Jessica. The beginning of the story starts with Jessica losing all her losing all her parents. That is the beginning of the story. Then let's move to the conflict. The conflict of the story is begins
Niemand.
with Jessica moving with an abusive aunt and a husband. Then we'll further explain the conflict. Jessica goes to school on barefoot and cousins make her do all the chores. Then the turning point. of the story. Okay, what Samaritan. Don't mind the spelling, it will autocorrect. Eyes, Jessica, for shoes and clothing items. But the font and presents take all the new stuff. Okay, any point Jessica rescued from the family to Alvin, where she is appreciated. Then let's go to the resolution. The resolution, Jessica goes back and farms a doctor. The end, the cousin become very sad in their adult lives because we have not achieved anything. Okay, let's generate the story using the technology. As you can see, here is the story here. Once upon a time, there was a young girl, Jessica. Okay. So I'm not going to read the entire story. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy the story. I'm going to copy the entire story. I'm going to copy it and paste it on Google Docs. So I think I've missed. Let's see. Okay, copy, and I'll paste it on Google Docs. Let me give it a title. Let's say Jessica. Say Jessica's Way. Let's say this is the title of the story. Vote. Okay, this is the story as you can see from here. I don't have the time to fix all the grammar and stuff, but if we have time, we will fix it. So let me go to another AI service. For this one, it's the image generator. You go to Bing image creator. You look for it on Google. Yeah, I need you to pay attention here. I need you to pay attention here, guys. For this to work, you will need to have knowledge, basic knowledge of photography concepts. So here is your image creator. As you can see, you go to create an image. So here you write your prompt. So for this, I'm going to create a medium close up cartoon image of a, or let me say a medium. Let me not say medium close up, a medium shot of a girl. This image will be used as our cover page, as our cover image. I mean, the girl sitting close to a pair of shoes. Let's see what comes up. Which one would be best suited for our particular story? Let me pick any image. I think this one, because there's a display of emotions, as you can see. Yeah, this one would be best. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to download the image, save image as. G1, then save. Now I'm going to incorporate this image to our story here. I'm going to go to insert, load from computer, image 1. Then here is our image. It goes along with the story, as you can see. Jessica's Way. Okay. Once upon a time, there was a young girl named Jessica. Okay. As you can see, okay. Okay, let me create a second image. I won't create a lot of images due to time constraints. I'll just create another one. another medium short image of a family of 4, one of the members is a young, here is sweeping the floor, 5 others are enjoying the meal. So just wait for the image generator to generate the image. Then afterwards, I will stop. Let me say cartoon image. I will use this one in the meantime. I will use this image. Okay. And we'll insert it here. So as you can see, here's the first image, the second image. It goes along with this context of the story. But here, as you can see from here, I can see this image maybe not so much because they are smiling faces. But when I have time, I will make sure that I collect the right images for this particular exercise. So now let me just go back to the to our workshop, and I'll be open for questions because I realize I think we need another session for this to be effective. I will stop sharing my screen right now. Then I'll open the floor for questions until our time is up. Okay, thank you. Morning, guys. You can morning. Yeah. I think I introduced myself. My name is Lungisa. My surname is Sopua. So I've been doing this type of exercise with the students that we are working with on our organization. So we have under 10 minutes right now, so we can use this time just to chat. I can answer your questions. Then we will take it up from there. Let me open the floor. Morning, guys. Hello, Fatima. How are you?
I'm well, thanks. I joined late, so I missed quite a bit in the beginning.
Okay, no problem, Fatima. Here's what's going to happen. At the top of this page, I shared a link click on that link and register on my mailing list. I will email you the workshop once I'm done here.
Okay.
Okay, all right. Any other question? Hello? Hello, guys. Let's chat, guys, because I won't be able to do all the things I planned with this limited amount of time. So let's chat and see how we can best approach this. I believe that we can have another session and really work on this technology.
Just trying to get back.
It's complicated.
So if I'm wanting to use not cartoons but photographs,
Photographs.
we work with children with severe disabilities, and they don't identify. They've got severe cognitive delay. So they identify with the real person rather than a cartoon.
Rather than a cartoon. Then you are going to be using the same prompt.
Yeah.
And you are going to say human. You are going to say live images, or you are going to say real life images. That's what you are going to be saying. So those images you'll be writing, and you'll be specific. Say, for example, you want to create a real life image of a person that is picking flowers. You'll be doing that. So let me see how much time I have. I can share a screen, or maybe can you give me an instruction of an image you would want to create for your particular group, so that we can do that quickly.
Okay, so a cup and a saucer and a spoon.
Okay, let me share my screen quickly. Okay. Let's go to the image creator. We are going to say a close-up image. Close up the real life image of the cup with saucer and spoon. Okay, let's go. Is it visible?
I can't, mine has gone very small, but I'm not sure. I can't get it, seem to enlarge it.
Okay, let me say white. Let me say white. Can you see it now?
Yeah, I can. Thank you.
Okay, this is what you can do with it, with the technology.
Okay.
So the technology is called the Bing Image Creator. When you search for it on Google, type Bing Image Creator, then sign in using your Microsoft account. It's that easy. Then you'll start creating your images.
Thank you.
All right, guys, is there anyone else with a question? Because we only have about 4 minutes now remaining. Hello?
I don't have. I think we probably will have to go back to try what you've done and then let you know how things are.
Okay.
So this is completely new to me. I'm not talking on behalf of others. It's completely new.
It's complicated. Okay, please do sign in. Please do sign in on using the link, the first link I've shared. If you do sign in, I can also share my email address. Can also share my email address. You can just email me. I will email you back. I think we do need another workshop, but the next one will need to be much more bigger. We will be using, instead of using Zoom, we'll be using Microsoft, Google Meets, because it does not have time limits. Then we'll be doing it step by step. I wanted to try this workshop, but it seems like I will need to do this meeting step by step. This workshop step by step, so that everyone understands how this thing works. But it's good for now. Now that I've seen where I need to improve. So anyone else with a question? The beautiful thing about this type of technology is that you can use it if you are working with kids, even with your own kids. You can make them interested. You can work together to create the stories, and it will be much more easier for them to be interested in reading these stories, because you've created these sort of stories together using the ideas. So what happens is that the LLM, like Bard or ChatGPT, will always generate the content for you. You just need to collaborate with the kids. And I've been working with kids. I think since I've started using this technology until now, we've created close to about 20 stories, and the kids become very excited because this is new to them and this is the future. It's not only limited to creating stories and images. The technology is evolving as time is proceeding. Kids will even learn to code using this type of technology, because it opens like the door for many inventions. So yeah, I'm grateful that you joined the meeting, ladies and gentlemen. I think this is the end of it now. This is the end of the demonstration. I am looking forward to hearing how it benefited you. So yeah, please use the link to connect to my email address, or I will leave my what do you call this? I will leave my email address on the
screen.